Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And guys, today I'm going to be playing Subway Surfers. And yeah, or Subway Surf, however it's called. We're going to be playing this game today. And sorry that I have not been filming for the past 2 days, I believe. It's because I've been pretty busy, you know. Anyways. So I'm pretty good at this game, and yeah, so I decided to make a video about it, you know, and also I just got this game yesterday, I believe, and yeah, and as you guys can see at the top right, you guys can see my high score, and it's 1,000 17,000 or something like that. Actually, no, my high score is 20,000, but right now it's 70,000. So it shows that it's 70,000, but it's actually 20,000. And yeah, so since and yeah, basically. So there we go. As you guys can see, I'm doing pretty well so far. I haven't died so far. And also, guys, like this video if you guys want me to make more videos about this game, and even longer videos, because this video might be 8 minutes long, because my camera it says that I can only film for 9 minutes and 6 seconds. And yeah. Anyways, let's do this. Boom. And yeah, guys, I just started playing this game yesterday. And I have played this game before, but you know, I deleted it, installed it, deleted it, installed it, deleted it, installed it. It's crazy. I play tons of game, guys, and then 1 month later, I'm like, I want to play that game again. I feel like playing it again, you know. And yeah. And so far, I am trying to save money in this game so I can unlock this robot guy. But it's pretty hard unlocking him, you know. Well, not really. Like, you only need 12,000. You only need 12,000 coins to get that guy, but still 12,000 coins in this game is actually kind of hard to get, really. But there's nothing I can do about it, so yeah. There we go. And yeah, guys, as I was saying, this video is gonna be a short video. And also, by the way, guys, next week I might create a new YouTube channel and leave this one alone, because basically my camera is basically my phone. Yeah, I know. Anyways, but I'm getting a new phone next week, so if you guys, I'm not gonna have this phone anymore. So if you guys, I'll be making a new YouTube channel. I don't know what's gonna be the YouTube channel name yet, but it's gonna be something. It might be Jesse, but yeah, that's gonna be next week, and probably on Friday. Probably next week on Friday. And yeah, so let's first do it. So let's do one more round and then I'll end this video because I don't want to make this video. Okay, that doesn't count. Okay, that doesn't count. But yeah, I'm trying to, because like as I said, my phone doesn't have too much storage so I can make like a really long video, or at least a 10-minute video. So yeah. And also this game does take up quite a lot of storage. That's why this video can be too long. But I'll try to find a game that is at least like 25 or less megabytes. No! Aw. Okay, let's continue. It still hasn't been a minute or 7 minutes yet, so yeah. There we go. Boom. Oh! Oh! Don't ask me how they did that. Okay. No! Oh well. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys next time. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications. And see you guys next time. Bye.